everyone. Thanks for joining for another Bite-sized PD. I'm Katie, your K-12 instructional coach with BNLT. Today, my special guest is ITAT Deanna Toxopius.
Thanks, Katie. Hi, I'm Deanna, an itinerant teacher of assistive technology, otherwise known as an ITAT, from LSS. The BNLT team has asked me here today to talk about Read and Write for Google.
Read and Write is a Google extension that is very useful to many of our staff and students. Students have it already installed. So as long as they're signed into their Google account, they can check their list of extensions and pin it to the bar. As staff, we need to install it. So you'll need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Read and Write.
Read and Write works best in Google Docs, but many of its tools work in other Google for Education products. It even works with web pages. When you're in a Google Doc, click the purple puzzle piece to display the Read and Write toolbar. You can find that either with your other Google extensions or here on this tab hanging down into your Google Docs. Some of the cool tools in Read and Write are Talk and Type. Talk and Type lets you turn your words into text, period. This can help students who struggle with writing better express their thoughts. The Play feature.
The Play feature reads text out loud.
This can help students access higher levels of text than they can read independently. Prediction. The predictive text tool helps the user correctly spell more complex words, helping students who are
struggling with their writing.
When Read and Write is working over a web page, you can use the Simplify tool to change the spacing and the font of your web page.
Thanks for checking out this video, and if you're looking for more resources, please check out our Modern Learning website.
For more information on Read and Write for Google, take a look at the ITAT website or talk to your school's ITAT.
Thank you, Deanna, for joining me today, and if you have an idea or if you want to appear on a future Bite-sized video, please fill out the form linked below the video.
Bye.
Take care.